Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. Okay. So, ano bang kailangan mong malaman? O, diba? Anong kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa person mo? Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa ating private reading, sa ating mga items, okay, yung ating mga evil eye items for protection from evil eye, okay, and kay Granter, kay Love Bracelet, okay, excuse me. And doon sa ating new item for cord cutting and doon sa ating pang-cleanse. Okay, just message me na lang po, ha? Okay, sasagot naman si admin. And syempre, yes, hindi naman agad-agad makakapag-reply si admin kasi sobrang dami na natin. Yeah, thank you. O, diba? Okay, thank you for following. O, diba? Anyway, Taurus. So, who is this person? Who is the person on your mind? Gagamit tayo ng oracle. Okay, so ito yung oracle na to. Ito talaga yung mga pang specific. Okay, ano bang meron sa kanya? Like physical. Okay, tingnan natin. Ito pang physical to. Physical na kung anong meron sa person. Okay, so pwedeng hindi ka makaresonate or what. Okay, let's see. Kuha tayo ng maraming energy. Taurus, anong meron sa person mo? Ano bang meron dyan sa kanya? Para malaman mong siya to. Okay. So, I don't know kung pwede ko tong sabihin. Anyway, someone na pwede daw, busty. Diba? Someone na maganya. Yan, busty. Syempre, sa babae, okay, kung person mo ay lalaki, syempre wala niyan. Pero diba? Okay. Kunin niyo yung pwede, ha? Madaming person ko po lalaki. So wag mo kunin to. So ito para lang sa mga may kakonect na babae. Okay? So ano pa ang pwede? Ano pang meron? Glasses. So pwedeng may glasses or mahilig magsalamin itong taong to. Pwedeng malabo mata niya. Okay, may kalabuan ng mata, mga ganyang bagay ba? Okay, so yan, in general. Okay, may chance na gusto lang niya siguro ng something to wear. Pagdating sa mata, maybe contact lenses, like that. Okay, pero specifically this is talking about glasses, eyeglasses. Okay, so pwedeng may ganun si person mo. Okay, so what else? Diba? Okay, what else? European. Okay, some of them pwedeng iba yung lahi. Okay, iba yung lahi. Kung hindi iba yung lahi ng person mo, then pwedeng message yun para sa iba. Okay? Okay. Again, wag niyong pipilitin, ha, yung mensahe para masabi mong inyo. Okay? Okay. What else? Ano pang meron dito sa person mo? Black clothing. So, maybe this person wants to wear black. Okay? Maybe favorite color niya is black. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng they just want dark colors. Okay? Like that. What else? Okay. Makeup. Okay. So, maybe mahilig siyang mapumustura, mga ganun. Pumustura. Oo, okay. So siguro parang tingin ko rito maayos siya, no? Maayos manamit, mga ganyan, mga palalaki, mga pababae. Okay? What else? Hazel eyes. Pwede nga iba sa inyo, no? Itong person mo is someone na pwedeng foreign. Okay? Hazel eyes. Or maybe, kung hindi man, pwedeng person mo is may ganitong kulay ng mata. Okay? Blonde. Diba? Baby face. Sino? So maybe some of them may chance na they're younger, maybe, or they look young. Okay? So So, yun ang aking nakukuha. Ulitin nyo ulit, no? Ulitin nyo lang ulit kung medyo hindi nyo nakuha lahat. Okay, ng energy. Or, yeah, this is ano naman, specific. Okay? Light skin. Yeah, 'di ba? Foreign na foreign ang datingan. Some of you talagang siguro mas malakas yung energy na iba sa inyo is sabihin natin connecting or dealing with someone na talagang ibang lahi. Okay, so there. So, tayo ito muna sa tarot. Okay. Taurus placements. Okay, let's see. Physical traits lang naman 'yon. Okay, anyway. So, dun tayo sa energy ni person mo. Okay, sino ba talaga? Ano ba talagang meron sa kanya, Taurus? Anong meron sa kanya? Shuffle ko lang. Okay. Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Taurus. Oo, anong meron? Anong energy ni person? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, the Three of Swords in reversed. Why is that? Ooh, oh! Ako kami nag-flip. Ito na lang kukunin ko. Ito kasi baliktad pa. Okay, the Three of Swords in reverse, the King of Cups. Someone who is so kind. Tingin mo sa taong to, hindi ka sasaktan. Okay? Yun ang tingin mo sa kanya. Hindi ka niya sasaktan. Napakabait. Yeah, the world, may chance talaga na iba yung lahi nito. Or sabihin natin LDR kayo. Okay? Anyway, let's see. So, pwedeng air sign and Pisces, water sign din. Okay? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, ano bang issue? No, not issue. Situation. Okay, let's see. Ano bang situation ninyo nitong taong to ngayon? Okay, anong situation? Okay, judgment. Something or something. Bagay. Okay. Someone needs to take action. Okay. What's with this? Some of you, may ganon. Pagdating sa sitwasyon. The Chariot. Oh. Yun nga lang, para tong urong sulong. Hindi malaman kung anong gagawin. Some of you still have doubts pagdating sa situation. Kung uusad ba to or what? May pag-usad bang mangyayari dito or wala? Yes. Okay. Yeah, Three of Wands. Some of you, you're expecting something. Okay, you're thinking long term. Thinking about the future agad. Okay? So, yeah, kaya nandoon yung doubts. What ifs? Pagdating sa situation, uusad ba to? Mag-grow ba to? Magkakaroon ba ng progress dito? Something like that. Okay, yun ang nakuha ko sa sitwasyon nyo. Tingnan natin. Ano ba ang emosyon talaga niya? Okay? Anong emosyon talaga ng taong to towards you, Taurus? Oh, the Empress. Oh, they like you. They see you as someone na pwedeng maka-long term na talaga. Wow. Wow. O, diba? Attracted. Big time. Okay? This person likes you a lot. A lot. Okay? Why? Why the Empress? The Three of Pentacles. Itong taong to maraming plano sa'yo. Okay? Maraming plano sa'yo tong taong to. Siya yung parang nag-iisip na ng pangmatagalan na they see you as someone as their other half. Yeah. Ikaw na yung nakikita niya na someone na pwedeng makasama niya habang buhay. Okay? They like you. They want you. From head to toe. O, diba? Yeah. Kaya siguro tingin mo sa taong to mabait. The King of Cups, someone who is emotionally invested, emotionally transparent. Okay? Oy, sana maraming makaresonate dito. Yeah. Okay, some of you, you're a single parent. That's specific. Okay, not for everyone. You're a single parent. They see you someone who is strong, independent. Okay? Yeah. Oh, this is so nice. Sana maraming makaresonate. Oo. Sana marami. Okay? Anyway. What is their energy? Ano bang energy nila? Kamusta tong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dito sa taong to, Taurus? Okay. You see them? Someone who is so selfless. Oo. Selfless. Kind. Okay? What's with them? Oh, the Ace of Cups. Oy! This person is looking for someone na pwedeng settle down na. Yeah. They're ready to settle down. So maybe there's this pagdating sa situation, maybe yung hindrance dito is pwedeng yung distansya, if ever. Okay? There's this sabihin nating maraming tanong. Okay, marami pang pagtatanong. Yeah. Kung mag-workout ba to or what, something like that. Sa part mo siguro. Sa part mo siguro rin. Okay? So, kumusta ba siya? The Ace of Cups. Wow. Okay. What's with this Ace of Cups? Meron silang self-love, sa totoo lang. Yeah. Some of them, they're healed already. Page of Cups. This person is so soft. Mapababae, mapalalaki. See, the Ten of Cups. Oh my God. The Ten of Cups. Kita nyo yan? Buong pamilya na yan, Buong pamilya na. 'Di ba? Gusto nito ng ganito sa inyo. Gusto niya na ng ganito. Yeah, they're like ready to settle down. Yes. Taurus, you need to heal something from your past. Okay? Yeah. You need to heal something from your past. Okay, kahit nasa ganito kang energy, they see you as someone who is so independent. Some of you, you're guarded. You're guarded. Okay? Hindi naman masama na maging guarded, pero, yeah. Ikaw itong sabihin nating, you've been through a lot. Okay, Taurus, you've been through a lot. Marami ka na pinagdaanan. So, yes, hindi kita masisisi na kailangan mong i-guard yung self mo. Ang kailangan mo pang gawin is to heal. Okay? Heal. 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 You're on the right track. You're on the right track. Okay? Yeah. This person is too kind, emotional. Let's see. Anyway, what's the advice na lang? Okay, what's the advice for you, Taurus? What's the advice? Gusto niyo makita next action niya? Gusto niyo makita next action niya? Okay. Say yes. Diba? Yes. Comment yes. Diba? Okay. Sige. Let's see what is their next action towards you, Taurus. Pakasalan mo na to. Pakasalan mo na to. Oh my God. Pakasalan mo na. The Ten of Pentacles. Next action. They want you. They want to commit. Okay? They see you as someone as their other half. Mga pababae, mga palalaki, they want kids with you, they want to grow old with you, o, diba? Like that. They want commitments. Okay. Ay, nakakaiyak naman to. Iyak tayo, wait. Okay. I'm happy. I'm happy lang, no? Dito sa ganitong energy. Yes. Mantakin nyo. Araw-araw tayo nagre-reading tapos hindi okay, 'di ba? Di ba? Now, nasa higher vibration tayo. Very good. Very, very good. Oo. Ten of Pentacles. They want to have, long term. They want to be with you. Ikaw yung nakikita niya talaga. See, the sun. Gusto na ito magkaanak. Sa'yo. Yeah. I'm seeing here pregnancy po, huh? Okay? They want kid. They want child. Okay? This person, gusto niya na talagang ibaba mo yung guard mo for them. They like you a lot. Like 1 million, sa mga bata, 'di ba? $1 million percent, 'di ba? $100 million. Ganun yun. Ganun yung sinasabi ng mga bata, no? Kapag yung talagang sure na sure, ayun yun. I'm sure. They want you. They want your ass. Yeah. This person is serious. Dead serious. Yeah. Okay. I'm happy. For you, Taurus. Okay. Advice sa mga naka-resonate dito. Okay. Sa tingin ko, wala pa. Okay. I'm seeing here na pwedeng mangyayari pa lang eh. So, sana, no, mag-manifesto, no, sa inyo. Sa mga nagko-crosswatch, sana mag-manifest rin. Magma-manifesto, claim it. Okay? Claim it. Advice for Taurus placements, please. The Queen of Wands in reversed. Okay. Okay, I'm overwhelmed. Okay? Alam nyo, nakikita ko dito, Taurus, you see this person as a red flag. Because what? You've been through a lot. Okay? Now, nakakita ka ng someone who is genuine. Okay? So, ano mangyayari kapag nakikita ka ng someone na parang too good to be true? Na ikaw itong parang nanggaling ka sa maraming kung anumang pangyayari, trauma, kung anuman. Diba? Ganun ang nakukuha ko sa'yo, Taurus. Okay? You see this person as a red flag. What's with this Queen of Wands in reversed? Some of you, kung tingin mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka talaga gusto or hindi ka karapat-dapat dito or what, wag mong i-down yung sarili mo, ha? Okay? Queen of Wands in reversed. Three of Wands. The Nine of Swords in reverse. Wag ka kung ano-anong iniisip. Okay? Wag ka kung ano-anong iniisip. Ikaw mismo sumasabotahe sa magiging magandang, sabihin natin mangyayaring maganda sa'yo. Okay? I think this is your person's person. Okay? This is your person. Ito na yung para sa'yo. Yeah, ito na yung para sa'yo. Sa manuwalat ka sa hindi. Okay? Anyway. Okay, so, yeah. Alisin mo na yung mga kung ano man. Like, sabi ko nga, you have to heal. You have to heal the Nine of Swords universe. You have to heal from past trauma. Okay, kahit sabihin natin, yes, you're doing great on your finance or being a single mother or single father, whatsoever. Heal. Okay? Some of you, you're just wearing a mask. Okay? So, I don't know. Heal your past trauma, please. Pwedeng masayang to eh. Okay? This is nice. Okay, so, yeah. Tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you Taurus placements. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Aries. They want to pursue you. Yeah, they want to pursue you. Some of them, yeah, andun yung parang parang kaya kanyang ipaglaban nga. Okay? Taurus. Pwedeng dito yung parang wala yung focus. Wala yung focus. Anyway, Gemini, they see you, they feel a strong connection with you. Andyan yung parang soul recognition. Cancer. Okay, feeling hopeless. I don't know why, feeling hopeless. Leo, they want family with you, they're happy with you. Okay? Virgo, they're invested. Yeah, they're invested. They're waiting for you. Libra, unexpected. Some of you, you'll have, maybe, you'll get, okay, something from this Libra. Okay, something unexpected in general. Scorpio, they love you. Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng makakuha ng new person. Pwedeng Scorpio. A new love, or maybe a new love interest nga. Okay, Sagittarius, they're confused. They're confused, unsure. Okay, Capricorn, they're attracted. Okay, they're attracted sa'yo. Aquarius, wow. Si Aqua, may chance na pwedeng ang tingin niya sa'yo is ikaw na yung lahat-lahat. Wala na siyang pipiliin. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Pisces. Some of you, there's this Pisces na afraid na gumawa ng action towards you. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Some of them, they want to talk. Maybe some of them, they are scared to approach you. Okay? Alam nila yung mga sasabihin nila, pero hindi sila ganun kahanda na i-reach out ka, kausapin ka, like that. They're feeling hopeless. I don't know why. Okay? So there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!